Do you want to send a friend request on Instagram? You can follow someone on Instagram with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To send a friend request or follow someone on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, tap the search icon at the bottom of the screen. Now you are on the search screen. Tap the search bar at the top and type the username or name of the person you want to follow. From the search results, tap on the profile of the person. Now you are on their profile page. If the account is public, tap the follow button. You will immediately start following them. If the account is private, tap the follow button to send a friend request. The person must approve your request before you can see their posts. Once your request is accepted, you will be able to view their posts, stories, and reels.